well, we had a little trial and error the first time, so we ended up cutting a square. Had to be big enough to get these fatties through there. So then now we just have the one wire coming down, doesn't look bad. And then we're gonna run, we got two separated. We got one running to right here. Probably gonna have it somewhere about here to light this up. And then we're running one right here. Probably gonna be, I can't even see because of the sun, but probably gonna be right here. Get that shot down. And then we got two going to the back. What the hell was that? Got two coming to the back. And I haven't really placed these yet, but somewhere under the fender, obviously. And then we've got the two on each side in the front also, coming down. So it's definitely, you gotta move a lot of wires around, but I mean, it's not the worst thing in the world, you know? So, we're getting there, slowly but surely.
Gotta hit this fucker.
Alright guys, we have the perfect solution. 8x1 P-Tech, apparently. Perfect screw, self-tap if you want to go into the frame. Flathead with their curved rubber mount, and it's literally perfect. Literally perfect. So, this is obviously connected, not gonna look as dinky as this once I get all the wiring wrapped up, but that is a perfect solution for frame mounting if that's what you're wanting to do. So that you don't have bolts sticking back through your plastic or nuts on the backside. And it's just these little guys, they fit right in there. Perfect. So we're all wired into each spot, and I'm just gonna go through now and put all these lights where they need to be. We'll get back with you guys once we get them all installed. Alright guys, rock lights are on.
They're cool.
Dude, yeah. So
Cool and
white
useful.
is whitest functionality, dude. Just for an idea is look at how clear you can see that, and there's no light on the camera.
Yeah, that's just
all that. That's how much functionality you're gonna get. You break something at night, you can see everything. I mean, look at the back. And there's only 2 pods in each well.
You say you blow a belt, boom, dude. You can see anything you need to.
And I mean, it's dark in here.
Yeah, there's no lights on in the garage, nothing. That's outstanding.
Yeah, that is really
the way we
really
placed
bright.
the 2 directly under the car are awesome.
Oh yeah. You know what, dude? I honestly forgot about those.
Yeah, I did too.
So we have 2 here. We have one here, and these are the same on both sides. And we ran wire up, and we ran it back down through the middle. And we ran them all through the console here.
Yeah, it's all right under the center console.
All in the console. Our console wires, we drilled a little hole. Well, we had to cut it to make it fit, but we cut a hole here so that we could get the wire up.
But it was simple, just a little.
Yeah, and then we ran one here also, right on the bottom.
And that's mirrored on the other side.
Yeah,
Everything
is on the mirrored, and then yeah, there's one here on the inside, and there too, obviously. And then on the front side, we did one on this front crossbar and one on this crossbar.
And they're so sick how it's
They have a curved rubber mount, so that if you mount to, your
A tube.
tubing, and then they have a flat one, so if you're mounting to a flat surface. So like these guys on the inside,
They're on a flat rubber.
yeah, these guys used the flat one. This rubber is awesome. I really like how he did that.
Yeah,
the rubber
because
is
that's
nice.
just going to make these things so much more durable.
Yeah, the rubber
I mean,
is nice.
Vastly more durable.
So we did that. They're all pretty simple. It's a little bit of a pain in the butt just because there's a lot of wires, but you
Yeah,
don't
it's
run
just
rock
tedious.
lights thinking that there's not going to
I
be
mean,
wires.
look up in here. You can't.
So
You really
I
can't.
ran the front, and this is not connected correctly yet because we need wire for toggle switch, but toggle switch is pretty simple. You're just cutting power.
Yeah, this is just so we can run them. And
So you run the power from your light to the toggle switch, and then you run power down to your battery or your fuse and then to your battery, however you want to rock that. And then you run ground straight to the battery, and then your toggle works. So we're just doing this for now so that we can show you guys. But I ran it all up and just stuffed her back in here. There's a little bit of excess wire from the front just because of the way we ran it. We mounted the box here. All pretty straightforward.
what's up, Travis?
So it's all tucked in nice in here.
No, it came out.
What's going on, dude?
What's up?
What's going on, buddy? So yeah, dude, these things are bright. I mean, yeah, now he's a fucking cop, so
It fits well with the whole Patriot thing.
yeah, those are pretty slick, dude. I really like these things, and just pure functionality. I mean, the white. Just,
No, the white's
just
amazing.
go to play or use the one that changes slowly. That one, and then we'll give him an idea. So you can see how it gets brighter too, and then just these are still bright, but then go to the white, and then bam, it's like that white is bright as hell.
Travis, imagine you're in the dunes and boom, you blow a belt. Boom,
yeah.
you can get right
Yeah,
to
you
it.
can see everything, dude.
Like a built-in flashlight.
Exactly. Yeah, those things are
so
slick,
awesome.
dude.
Rubber mounted and everything, dude. That was the only thing I was worried about because I've seen some jankier ones, and I didn't know that these came with rubber mounts, and I was like, oh, dude.
Yeah, that makes it a lot easier. And
'Cause
we
this-
just used I think I put it in there before. It was like an 8x1 P-Tech self-tapping screw.
Yeah,
and we
nothing-
just ran
nothing
them
fancy.
straight in. I mean, he gives you nice ones. He gives you 2 for each one, which we actually used on these front ones. So he gives you these little nice Allen heads, which these are nice, but the only thing with the other ones is to mount them on the plastic, I didn't want screws coming to the back side or the other side, and then you got little bolts everywhere. So we just did this, and I feel like it looks a little bit cleaner.
It's MB whips. He does whips.
So it looks nice, man. It looks really nice. I'm pretty excited
so
with it.
Stoked with how it turned out. I mean, this obviously isn't how we're gonna have it set up. And all
No,
that
yeah,
stuff.
that's
'Cause
gonna
we're-
change, but I already explained that.
Yeah,
So
that'll get all wired up nice and neat when we get the cage and everything, and it's just so cool.
yeah, it looks pretty sweet, man. So shout out to MB Whips, dude. This guy knows what he's doing. His products are the shit. If you guys need whips, rock lights, sweet ass shirts,
Party time, bro.
yeah, we're probably gonna be having a website here pretty soon where we're gonna be selling this guy's stuff too. So you can always come to us. But yeah, man.
I love all the different functions. It's such a simple app.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, and then you scan this code right here. Turn the white on again. Scan this code right here, just with your picture, your camera thing, and then it takes you to this app, and
Just
then it just
download the
connects
app.
Bluetooth to this thing, and then you got all your functionality right there.
right there. And you can do a couple DIYs to where you set it up yourself. We obviously haven't gotten there yet, but
Yeah,
I mean, this came out so sick.
pretty awesome, dude. Really, one step closer to glamorous, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
As long as our shit gets done.
Yeah. So hopefully the next part of this will be us putting it all back together. But
Hopefully.
that's it for this one, dude. MB whip install for rock lights, not actually whips, but whatever. All right. We'll see you guys on the next one.